Hi, I'm Haley Jinks, and in this brief tutorial, I'll guide you through using Snorkl, a versatile and free teaching tool designed to create interactive assignments with text or images. Whether you're teaching third graders or high school students, Snorkl is here to enhance engagement and assess understanding, all in one convenient platform. Snorkl is a web-based platform that enables teachers to design digital learning tasks centered around multimedia content. It is entirely free to use and operates directly from your browser. You can either create your own Snorkls or explore a library of lessons crafted by fellow educators. Students can complete Snorkls without needing an account, and their responses are automatically saved. To begin, you're going to visit this link, or it will be in the description below. You can sign in using either a Google account or Microsoft account. There is no need to download anything. This platform is compatible with Chromebooks, PCs, and Macs, just to ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Once you log in, you will get to the home page, and this is where you can find anything and everything you need. So you can explore the Snorkl library by clicking Find an Activity, or you can create an activity by pressing Create an Activity. Now, Snorkl is available to teachers at no cost, but there is a limitation. You can only have 20 activities at any given time. The solution is you simply delete activities once your students have completed that topic. Remember, any topics that you have created will also need to be deleted. There is another option, which is the premium option, and this is for schools and districts. And this basically means that they get unlimited activities, access to a Snorkl coach, and professional development opportunities with Snorkl. Now, to get started on creating a Snorkl, is you simply click on Create an Activity on the dashboard. This action will then take you to a new page where you can input a title and choose the type of response. I often suggest opting for the whiteboard recording option, although this may differ depending on the specific activity you're doing. After that, you can upload the content along with any instructions you wish to include. Now, when you finish creating the activity, you're going to simply click Assign to share that Snorkl with your students. You will receive a link like that is shown here and a QR code that can be posted in Google Classroom, Seesaw, or displayed on your board. Students can easily click the link, enter their name, and complete the activity without ever needing to log in. You'll be able to view their responses in your teacher dashboard. Now, this is the Snorkl library. You find this by clicking Find an Activity, and this offers so many pre-made activities that can meet any of your standards. Snorkl can also be employed for quick formative assessments, exit tickets, or even summative tasks. Now, here are some examples of how it can be used. In ELA, you can use this tool to design a quick exit ticket, for instance, demonstrating how to respond to questions from the text by incorporating evidence. Another example with science is that you can incorporate scientific reasoning through the use of questions and visuals. With math, you can make it a little bit more engaging when students have to document and share their thought processes. And for social studies, you can present a graph related to a concept you're exploring and encourage students to apply their knowledge to either support or challenge the visual representation. Now, Snorkl effectively enhances the use of instructional technology. Within the PICRAP model, it is classified as creation for students and amplifies for teachers. This classification stems from its ability to allow students to express their ideas creatively while helping teachers present content in a more interactive manner, all without compromising the learning experience. Now, Snorkl fulfills all four of the E's of technology integration by enabling multimedia learning activities, engaging students with content and peers, elevating communication and presentation skills, and extending interaction opportunities beyond traditional settings. Now, Snorkl is a low preparation, high impact resource that can be reused. It's user friendly, free, and enhances classroom engagement. Give Snorkl a try in your teaching. Thank you.